Hi dear students, let me wish that all are safe at home. Look at these pictures. What is this? These are balloons. All of you might have played with balloons. What is the peculiarity of these balloons? Can you name this type of balloon? These are hydrogen balloon. Yeah, you said it. These are hydrogen balloons. That means in this balloon what is filled? It is filled with hydrogen. So it is named as hydrogen balloon. What is the speciality of this type of balloons? If it is untied from our hand, it may flew up. It moves on up and up. What is the reason why it is going up always? It never comes down. The reason is that the density of hydrogen is very much less than that of the density of air. That's why it is going up every time. Today we are going to discuss on this hydrogen. You all know that hydrogen is the simplest element. It is denoted with the letter capital H. It is the first element in the periodic table. And it is the lightest element and one of the most abundant elements in the universe. You already learned these things in the previous years. It is the simplest element, first element in the periodic table. It is the lightest element and one of the most abundant elements in the universe. Now, today we are going to discuss more about it. How to prepare it in the lab also. Are you ready? It was prepared or discovered by Henry Cavendish. It was discovered by Henry Cavendish in 1766. He called it as the inflammable air. He called hydrogen as the inflammable air. The name hydrogen is derived from a Greek word hydrogens, which means something that produces water. It is derived from a Greek word hydrogens, which means something that produces water. Why it is so called? Because when hydrogen burns in air, it reacts with oxygen and produces water. That's why it is named so. Hydrogens, which means something that produces water. Let's see what are the physical features of hydrogen. It is a colorless gas and it is not having any smell. So we have termed it as odorless, and it's a tasteless gas also. So hydrogen is a colorless, odorless and a tasteless gas. It is extremely flammable, means it catches fire easily. The second speciality is that it catches fire easily. So we can say that hydrogen is extremely flammable. Hydrogen is the major component in suns and stars. It is the major component in suns and stars. Hydrogen is that it burns with oxygen to form water. It burns with oxygen to form water. Now let's see the preparation of hydrogen. The preparation of hydrogen, we need hydrochloric acid and zinc granules. First, take 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. If you are having concentrated hydrochloric acid, add some water to it. Make it dilute. First, we want to take 5 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid in a test tube. Then, take some zinc granules and put into it. Now, shake it well. After that, bring a matchstick to the mouth of the test tube. If we bring a matchstick to the mouth of the test tube, we can hear a pop sound. You can see that the matchstick burns with a pop sound. The reason is that it is having hydrogen. That means the presence of hydrogen, fire burns with a pop sound. So we can say that matchstick burns with a pop sound because of the presence of hydrogen. Here in the speaker you can see, here HCl is there in the test tube. We added zinc granules, and if we bring a burning matchstick at the mouth of the test tube, it burns with a pop sound. It shows the presence of hydrogen. Now can you tell the chemical reaction? First we took dilute HCl. So therefore 2 HCl. To that we added zinc. Zinc plus 2 HCl gives ZnCl2 plus H2. That's a reaction. What are the reaction? What are the reactants? Zinc and hydrochloric acid. Which are the products formed? Zinc chloride plus hydrogen gas. What are the things we learned today? Hydrogen is a tasteless, odorless and a colorless gas. Second thing is hydrogen is flammable. What is the third thing? It is mostly found in suns and stars. And the fourth one is hydrogen burns in oxygen to form water. Did you remember the lab preparation of it? If we add zinc granules to the dilute solution of HCl, what will be produced? Zinc chloride and hydrogen. If we bring a matchstick, burning matchstick to the mouth of the test tube, we can see matchstick burns with a pop sound. The gas that burns with pop sound is hydrogen. Thank you.